my name is Maria. I have been doing NAET treatments for the last 5 years, and it is something that definitely marked a before and after in my health journey and my wellness routine in general. I originally started doing NAET treatments, I think it was 2019, when I was really struggling with cystic acne and hormonal acne. It was something that I had started treating with my dermatologist at the time, and the first time around I was like very just trying to find a solution, and I was really willing to do anything to clear up my skin and just be happy with the way my skin looked, etc. And my dermatologist did prescribe me medication and topical creams and ointments, etc., which definitely helped. I think I saw wonderful results after taking the antibiotics that I was prescribed, but then after being off antibiotics for about 3 to 4 months, the acne came back, and I had to kind of start over the entire process of getting on prescribed medication again. And that's where I just kind of started getting hopeless about the situation. It's something that caused me to feel insecure, self-conscious, etc. And I was kind of like seeing that this was going to become kind of like a cycle without really coming to the solution of the problem. And luckily for me, I was able to meet Randee and the other NAET practitioners at the time, who just changed my life, honestly. I think NAET is an incredible alternative to traditional medicine. It's something that is non-invasive to the body, which is incredible, and something that's hard to come across in anything related to wellness and medicine in general. So I started my NAET treatments. I did the first, I think it's the first 15 treatments, which are like the base allergies that you test for. And I remember as soon as I treated for hormones, my skin just cleared up, and it was wonderful to see. It's something that takes patience in the beginning. You have to really commit to the process. But I also believe that at that point I was like, I'd rather be patient and actually see something, see a good result and feel confident that this is something that is going to have a long-lasting effect, rather than just like continuing to harm my body with antibiotics and not really getting to the bottom of whatever it is that was happening with me. So yeah, throughout the 5 years, of course, I've had like moments where maybe my skin flares up a little bit, my hormones get out of balance. I can always count on NAET treatments to get me back to a balanced place with my body, with my hormones. Especially being a woman, our hormones change so much, and it's important to constantly be like looking out for those things. And it encompasses a lot of things. It encompasses like the allergy aspect of the treatment, like food intolerances, etc. But then there's the whole emotional side of the treatments, which are also incredibly helpful. And it's more of a holistic approach to wellness, which I love and I stand by, and will always recommend NAET treatments to anyone that I come across.